What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So Shiba Inu Bone starts erasing losses, reclaims $1.30. Obviously, we see it pulling back today due to a lot of FUD, but let's get into this article, then we'll add our opinion as well. So owing to the Shibarium beta chain ID drama, fear, uncertainty, and doubt have been doing the rounds. So if you're not familiar with that, another cryptocurrency developer. He was an early investor in Shiba Inu, not affiliated with the team in any way, but he created a chain called Renaya, basically in remembrance of his grandmother. And when Shibarium testnet was launched, there were several different chain IDs that were automatically generated, and one of those IDs belonged to the Renaya developer. And the developer on the tech side, the lead developer Cal for Shiba Inu, didn't basically make sure that those chain IDs weren't already registered. So it happened, one of them were registered to already another developer. And now, it's not really like that big of a deal, but it's going to cause a major update to take place with Shibarium, because now a new version of the beta will have to be rolled out. Everything will still be the same pretty much, but it's just an update to make sure that Shiba Inu's Shibarium is using its own chain ID. Because of this, using a similar chain ID or the same chain ID as someone else, some transactions can basically go through on both chains, which can throw off, the ledger that's keeping track of everything that's going on that chain. So community members have been expressing concerns on social media while the price of the ecosystem's token has been drastically falling. As soon as the alleged plagiarism news started floating around, Shiba Inu plunged by around 10% while Bone dropped by 20%. At press time, however, the situation was seen as cooling down. Shib's loss shrunk to 6% while Bone was down by only 13.4% on a daily time frame. However, on the weekly, Bone scars were slightly deeper. The asset has depreciated by 23.3%. In fact, its social dominance has also dropped by 67.8%. Its social dominance has also dropped by 67.8% to 0.66%. Apparently, in the same time frame, the bullish sentiment associated with the Bone shibaswap has declined 68.1%. So basically, people losing, I don't want to say faith, but just excitement in, what Bone or what Shibarium is, going to bring. They're not seeing, the pump that they expected to see, and myself included. I said I would not be surprised if Bone was at $5 to $10 upon a release of Shibarium, which I think could have happened had this overall crisis we're seeing with all the banks collapsing. We see Silicon Valley Bank just collapse, Silvergate, Signature Bank, all these banks on the verge of collapsing. Credit Suisse now is having issues. So it's pushing, on a macro level, the entire market down, which in turn, should theoretically push more money into Bitcoin, which we've seen Bitcoin prop the rest of the market up. But as far as these riskier altcoins, like maybe not Ethereum just as much, but lower ones like Shiba Inu, some of the other meme type of coins can definitely feel the pain from this. So state of Bone investors, earlier today, Bone dropped below its EMAs to create a new local low around the 108 level. However, it managed to erase its losses, reclaim its 200 EMA, and glide back above the $1.30 level. At press time, the asset's price was oscillating in the $1.27 and $1.30 range. For now, Bone has a couple of strong resistances around $1.50 and $1.90, making its path to the upside a bit tricky. As shown below, the asset has been trading above the former level in early March and tried breaking above the latter subsequently. However, it was not successful in doing so, hence for Bone to start reattempting the same. Bulls would need to step into the picture. At press time, the RSI was hovering around 35, bringing to light undernourished buying momentum. Thus, if the situation worsens from here, Bone could drop down to either of its supports highlighted on the chart below. Despite the latest dip, it is interesting to note that the YTD's average profitability numbers have not been drastically impacted. According to data from Into the Block, nearly 82% of the Bone addresses are currently in the money or in profits. This likely indicates that a major chunk of investors are early buyers and haven't been affected much by Bone's decline. Among the remaining holders, around 10% of them are out of the money or in loss, while the rest of the 8% of them are at the money or at break-even position. So let me know in the comment section, what level are you? Are you in profit with Bone? Are you in a break-even, position, or are you at a loss when it comes to Bone? And let me know how you're feeling as far as your confidence level when it comes to Shibarium and Bone. Has anything changed because of what we see taking place right now? I'm sure some of the team members will check this video out and also check out the comment section. So if y'all want to voice y'all opinions, drop them in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe if you already haven't. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.